Hello, this is the Fox Brother, and we're gonna, after defeating that little yo-yo monkey made out of wood, we're going to go to the next level. Well, lab or kitchen, either way, it's full of candy. So we're going to see the little cutscene right here, showing the next world of the level of the game, the story mode. Whoa, what's that guy? It's a Negativitron. Uh-oh, that's not good. Watch out, guys. Oh, and there's some tires. That's classic. This lady kind of creeped me out for some reason. It just, her face for some reason creeps me out. Oh, and then he's gonna order us to do stuff. Hmm. When it's it for me, you bum. I think I'm gonna start auto-rejecting people who are trying to join, because it's kind of interrupting the actual video. But here we are introduced to the Grabinators. They were like an upgrade to your powering, to your grabbing abilities. Picks up things, you can throw them. Like Mario. Yeah, like Mario. Throws barrels and hits them with the... Yeah. It's a pretty extended level right here. Should probably like rush a bit, because you know we're kind of wasting time. Yeah, we need to like speed run now. Let's just run. Ow! Ah, that really hurt. Ow! Ow! Whoa! I'm not sure I managed that, but ah, still died. Ugh. Ah, what was that? Wait, come on. You bum. Goodness gracious, we're wasting time. Ah! So yeah, we were basically just eating some cake. And there's the Negativatron. Oh no! He's spawning enemies and monsters. And got pwned by ice cream. Hmm. Oh, I was gonna use that for later. Hey, you bum. It's a little mini boss right here. Defeat it easily by. My goodness. It's going to kick me. Teamwork! Oh no, Skate died. And now he's back alive. Oh no, we're crashing. Let's just skip this for now because we're wasting. We're kind of in a tight squeeze with the time limit here. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned for the next levels.